Thanks for tuning in to part 2. All right, so let's look at how we're going to complete this assignment. Number one, I know everybody's going to say, because the students say this every time, is wow, that's small. So first I'm going to show you how to make this a little bit bigger because it's impossible to see the pictures with them being this little. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top here with this magnifying glass. This is your zoom button. And we're just going to go ahead and make this at 100% so we can see this a little better. Our options, you can go as high as you want. I can go to 200% so I can see them even better. The only thing is, if I then click after that, it wants me to keep zooming and zooming and zooming. So I'm going to go back and fix that to 100%. And then I have to re-click the mouse so that I just have my clicking tool on again. That is something that's a little bit different with this and PowerPoint. So what I'm going to do to complete this assignment is I have to sort into a picture that is a clean environment and pictures that are polluted environments. So let's look down here. I see this picture of this beautiful ocean with these healthy looking fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this picture by clicking on it. You'll see it gets a blue box around it. And now I have the ability to take this picture and drag it. If you have a touchscreen computer or iPad, I can actually use my finger to just kind of pull it and drag it into the right position. But you can also just, hold down your mouse key and be able to do that as well. So let me show you that again. My picture is down there. I click on the picture until it has this blue box, and then I'm just going to drag it either on my touchscreen with my finger, or I'm going to do it with holding down my mouse. And then I'm going to click outside of that box so that that blue highlight goes away, and that'll stay there for me. Then the next one, let's do a polluted environment. Oh my goodness, look how sad this picture is of this turtle who got stuck into this bottle case here, and his body has now grown. Oh, that picture makes me so sad. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to click until I get that blue highlighted box. Then I'm going to drag it up to where it says polluted environment. And as you can see, like, I'm kind of toggling up and down here. I'm on a Chromebook, so I'm doing is taking two fingers on my mouse pad and either moving up or down to get this slide to kind of show where I want it to be. But again, there's this little slide box on the side that you can just kind of hold and pull up and down as well, so you can see better to where you're dragging it. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to go if everything goes well. But then what if, like, I highlight this box and I erase it? Oh my gosh, is this a disaster? Am I ever going to be able to get this back? Well, the answer is yes. All I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this little arrow right here that says undo. I click that once and it's automatically back. That can solve 99 of the problems that you have out of 100 on this Google Slides app, is that undo button. So that'll help if anything goes wrong. The other problem that I have seen students have before is, again, like, the pictures get mixed up. One goes behind another and they can't find it. Maybe I accidentally delete the entire slide and, oh no, I don't have any work anymore. Again, that undo button can fix that too. So that's really helpful. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those back. Trying to brainstorm like other problems you guys would have. Okay, maybe I accidentally make a text box. All I would have to do there is just, I could do the undo, or I could do the right click and delete. And it looks like we're going to run out of time again. So part 3 coming up in just a moment.